Hey guys, Hamlet here again. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to plug and play a Yealink T29 desktop phone. So the first thing we're going to do is log into the Vodia PBX. This phone is on the same LAN as the PBX, so we're going to use the LAN provisioning. So what we're going to do under Administrator, let's go under Phones, LAN Devices. Make sure the phone is set to factory reset, otherwise it won't show up on this page. The next thing I'm going to do is click Setup, and I'm going to choose an extension. In this case, I'm going to choose 411. I'm going to click Save. The phone should reboot and come up with my extension. Come up in just a few seconds. Now this procedure will work with any Yealink phones on the same LAN as the PBX. Make sure you check your firewalls, that nothing is being blocked. We are listening to port 67 and 68, so make sure your router is not doing anything that's blocking or preventing that port being used, or if you have it installed on a Windows or Linux device, that port 67 and 68 is available for the Vodia PBX to use. Otherwise, the LAN provisioning will not work. Okay, so now the phone is up and running. It is now registered to the Vodia PBX. So the next thing we are going to do is add some buttons. So I'm going to go to my domain, localhost, and I'm going to go to the registered extension, which is 411. Go to buttons. The Vodia PBX is smart enough to know what device it is that we're going to configure the buttons to. So I'm just going to quickly go to line key 2 and set up some BLFs. Well, now you can do this beforehand. I'm just showing you quickly how it can be done on the fly. Alright, so I'm going to configure 3 BLF buttons. I'm going to go save, and the phone should get its configuration file from the PBX shortly. Alright, those are the 3 BLFs button, and that's how you provision a Yealink phone on the LAN with the Vodia PBX phone system. If you like this video, please subscribe or like the video. There will be more videos to come, and I'll see you later.